Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to change Google search language. Friends, if you want to use your native language in Google search, then you can very easily change your language. So open your Chrome browser. Friends, as I am in India, so it is offering some local languages here. For more option, you need to press here. Now here press on settings. In settings, scroll it little down. In bottom you will find option of languages in Google products. Now here press on this little arrow. Now here you will find all the languages. I will select Hindi language. Now like this you need to change language for search results also. So press on this little arrow. Now here you will find all the languages. Now scroll it little down to select your language. I will select Hindi here also. After selecting languages, press on save. Press on OK. Now friends, as you can see, my Google search page is changed to Hindi language. Now suppose I search something here. Now friends, as you can see, it is showing me result in Hindi language and also showing option in Hindi language too. So friends, like this you can very easily change your language in Google search. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.